Okay. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to set up the address services. Alright, so in this video, there's going to be four things. I'll be showing you the email template, the recipients, documents to be attached, and filling up the spreadsheet. Alright, let's start with the email template. Um, okay, I am going to use NFAF for instance. Alright, so look here. Look. Company name and then the forwarding address. It has to be in this exact same format. Okay. Alright, so that's the email template. For every company we send to hold everything, we send it in this template with little alterations. Like for instance, if they haven't finished sending all their documents, you can leave a note here that something is still pending and then we are going to send over shortly. Alright, so the recipients include, there is Richard, you have to add Richard at hold everything, and you can see it's Richard at hold everything. Then in carbon copy you put Lucy at hold everything, and then Moira has to be in carbon copy. For some reason Moira isn't here, but Moira has to be in every email we send to hold everything. Now the documents to be attached, there are 5 documents to be attached. Okay, so certificate of incorporation is, you get that from e-filing. So in e-filing, let's say we are doing for NFAF, let's use that as an example still. Alright, so you come to documents, and then you can find the incorporation, the certificate of incorporation, download this. Then the next one is the passport. You go and download the passport from email, Freshdesk or Gmail, where the client sent it to, and then the address proof, you have to attach that. It should be in the email as well. Then the registered office form field, it would be in the email as well. And to click on the one that Agnes Noma of this present company sent to know exactly the document I'm talking about. And then the spreadsheet is very, very, very important, and this is what it looks like. Good, this is it here. Okay, so alright, so you can see these are all the companies that we have on that have subscribed to the service. Now, using information you get from e-filing, let's say NFAF, NFAF isn't here. It should be here, but I'm not going to search it out now. Alright, so let's use London Digital, for instance. Company name, not yet due. It's asking about the status, the first name, and you fill in all these details to the very end. Then there are some cells that we no longer really use. You feel free to ignore those ones, but capture information in all the active cells. So once that is done, if it's a different month from what is listed here, then please rename it and then download as a Microsoft Excel document and attach it to the email you will send. Alright, so let's look at NFAF further. So you can see here, registered office for April, registered office form, bank statement, passport, certificate of incorporation, and all. And then you send this to Richard. Please note that the spreadsheet lives online, and any change you want to make, you make it there, download and send. If you have any questions, please send it to me in Skype. Thank you. Bye.